eBooks are digital books. They have revolutionized the way we read and access literature. Unlike traditional paper books, eBooks can be read on various electronic devices, making them incredibly versatile and accessible. People read them on devices like Kindles, smartphones, and tablets. This flexibility allows readers to carry an entire library in their pocket, ready to be accessed at any moment, whether they are commuting, traveling, or simply relaxing at home. More and more people are reading eBooks. The convenience of having multiple books on a single device means that readers are no longer limited by physical space. This has led to a significant increase in the number of people who prefer eBooks over traditional paper books. This is because eBooks are convenient. They offer features like adjustable font sizes, built-in dictionaries, and the ability to highlight and take notes, enhancing the reading experience. Additionally, eBooks are often cheaper than their physical counterparts, making them an economical choice for avid readers. You can buy and download them instantly from online stores, eliminating the need to visit a bookstore or wait for a delivery. This instant access to a vast array of books is one of the key reasons why eBooks have become so popular. You can carry many eBooks on one small device. This portability is especially beneficial for travelers and students who need to carry multiple books. With eBooks, you can have all your reading material in one lightweight device, making it easier to manage and access your library. The popularity of eBooks creates an opportunity for authors and entrepreneurs. The rise in eBook sales has opened up new avenues for writers to publish their work without the need for traditional publishing houses. This democratization of publishing means that anyone with a story to tell can reach a global audience. You can write and sell your own eBooks. The process of creating an ebook is straightforward, and there are numerous platforms available that make it easy to publish and distribute your work. Whether you are writing fiction, non-fiction, or instructional guides, the potential to share your knowledge and creativity is immense. This is a way to make passive income. Once your ebook is published, it can continue to generate revenue for you with minimal ongoing effort. This passive income stream can be a valuable addition to your financial portfolio, providing you with extra income while you focus on other projects or simply enjoy your free time. Passive income means you earn money even when you are not actively working. Imagine earning money while you are on vacation, spending time with family, or pursuing other interests. This financial freedom is one of the most appealing aspects of creating and selling ebooks. This guide will teach you how to make passive income with ebooks. We will provide you with step-by-step instructions on how to write, publish, and market your ebook effectively. You will learn the best practices for creating content that resonates with readers and strategies for reaching your target audience. We will cover everything from choosing a topic to marketing your book. By the end of this guide, you will have all the tools and knowledge you need to succeed in the world of ebooks. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey of creativity and financial independence. Ebooks are a great way to make passive income. Here's why. First, low startup costs. Unlike traditional publishing, you don't need to invest in printing, shipping, or storage. All you need is a computer and an internet connection to get started. This makes it accessible for anyone, regardless of their financial situation. You don't need to print physical copies. This not only saves money but also time and effort. You can focus on creating quality content without worrying about the logistics of physical production. Plus, digital formats are eco-friendly, reducing your carbon footprint. This saves a lot of money. Second, global reach. With ebooks, you can tap into a worldwide audience. Your book can be available in multiple countries and languages, reaching readers you could never access with traditional publishing. This opens up endless possibilities for growth and revenue. You can sell your ebook to anyone in the world. Third, flexibility. Writing an ebook allows you to work on your own schedule. Whether you're a night owl or an early bird, you can write whenever inspiration strikes. This flexibility is perfect for those with busy lives or other commitments. You can work on your ebook whenever you have time. And fourth, scalability. Once your ebook is published, you can sell unlimited copies without any additional effort. Unlike physical products, there's no need to restock or manage inventory. This means your income potential is virtually limitless. You can sell unlimited copies of your ebook. Additionally, you can easily update your ebook with new information or improvements, keeping it relevant and valuable to your readers. This ongoing value can lead to more sales and a loyal audience. Once you create and publish your ebook, it can continue to generate income for years. This is the essence of passive income. You do the work once, and it keeps paying off. Imagine waking up to find you've made sales overnight, or receiving payments while you're on vacation. This is the beauty of passive income. It provides financial freedom and peace of mind, allowing you to focus on other passions or projects. You can build a portfolio of ebooks, each generating its own stream of income, creating a sustainable and diversified revenue source. You put in the work up front and reap the rewards over time. The more effort and creativity you invest in your ebook, the greater the potential returns. So if you're looking for a way to earn passive income, consider writing an ebook. It's a rewarding and fulfilling endeavor that can pay off for years to come. The first step is to choose a niche. Your niche is the topic of your ebook. It's important to choose a niche that you are passionate about. This will make the writing process more enjoyable. You also need to choose a niche that is profitable. This means there are people willing to pay for information on this topic. Do some research to see what ebooks are already selling well. Look for gaps in the market. What topics are people searching for but can't find enough information on? Now it's time to write your ebook. This is where your ideas start to take shape and transform into a tangible manuscript. The journey from a mere concept to a fully fledged ebook is both exciting and challenging. Here are the steps. First, outline. Begin by brainstorming and jotting down all your ideas. Use mind maps, sticky notes, or any method that helps you organize your thoughts. This initial phase is crucial as it sets the foundation for your ebook. Plan out the structure of your ebook. Decide on the main topics and subtopics you want to cover. Think about the flow of information and how each chapter will build upon the previous one. A well-structured outline will make the writing process smoother and more efficient. What topics will you cover in each chapter? Second, write. Start writing your content. Don't worry about perfection at this stage. The goal is to get your ideas down on paper. You can always refine and polish your writing later. Focus on providing valuable information to your readers. Think about their needs and how your ebook can help them. Use clear and concise language and make sure your content is engaging and informative. Third, edit. Once you're finished writing, edit and proofread your work carefully. This step is essential to ensure your ebook is free of errors and flows smoothly. Consider getting feedback from others to catch mistakes you might have missed. And fourth, format. Format your ebook for different devices. Make sure it looks good on all screens, whether it's a tablet, smartphone, or e-reader. Pay attention to fonts, images, and overall layout to ensure a pleasant reading experience. Make sure it looks good on all screens. Test your ebook on various devices to ensure compatibility and readability. A well-formatted ebook enhances the reader's experience and makes your content more accessible. Writing an ebook takes time and effort. It's a process that requires dedication and perseverance. There will be moments of doubt and frustration, but remember that every great book started as a rough draft. But it's a rewarding process. Seeing your ideas come to life and knowing that your work can make a difference is incredibly fulfilling. Celebrate your progress and milestones along the way. You are creating something valuable that can help others. Your ebook has the potential to educate, inspire, and entertain. Embrace the journey from idea to manuscript, and take pride in the knowledge that you are contributing something meaningful to the world. The publishing process. Making your ebook available. Once your ebook is written, you need to publish it. Here are the most popular options. Amazon Kindle. Direct Publishing, or KDP, is a popular platform for selling ebooks. It's easy to use and you can reach a large audience. You can also publish on other platforms like Apple Books, Barnes & Noble Nook, and Kobo. Each platform has its own guidelines and requirements. Be sure to read them carefully before you publish. Marketing and promotion reaching your readers. Publishing your ebook is just the first step. You also need to market it so people can find it. Here are some strategies. Social media. Share your ebook on social media. Engage with potential readers. Email marketing. Build an email list and send out regular newsletters. Paid advertising. Run ads on Amazon, Facebook, and other platforms. Marketing is an ongoing process. You need to consistently promote your ebook to reach new readers. Section 7. Scaling your ebook business beyond a single title. Once you've published your first ebook, it's time to think bigger. Expanding your catalog can significantly boost your passive income. Building a series of ebooks can be particularly effective. Readers who enjoy one book are likely to purchase the next in the series, creating a loyal audience. Consider writing sequels, exploring different genres, or even collaborating with other authors. Each new title opens up additional revenue streams and attracts a broader audience. Managing multiple projects requires organization. Use tools like project management software to keep track of your progress and deadlines. Marketing multiple books can also be more efficient. Bundle your titles, offer discounts, and cross-promote to maximize sales. Remember, the key to success is consistency and quality. Keep writing, keep publishing, and watch your ebook business grow. Section 8. Additional income streams, expanding your author platform. To truly maximize your earnings, it's essential to expand your author platform. Engage with your readers through social media, newsletters, and book signings. Leverage social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook to connect with your audience. Building an email list is crucial. It allows you to communicate directly with your readers. Consider creating a blog or a YouTube channel to share your writing journey. Collaborate with other authors and participate in online forums and communities. The more visible and accessible you are, the more opportunities you'll have to grow your audience. Remember, building a strong author platform takes time and consistent effort. Keep connecting, keep sharing, and watch your readership expand. Section 9. Conclusion. Your journey to passive income with eBooks. Congratulations on reaching the end of our guide. We've covered how to create, publish, and market your ebook. Remember, persistence and creativity are key. Keep refining your strategies, stay updated with market trends, and never stop learning. To start your ebook journey, brainstorm your ideas, outline your content, and begin writing. Once your ebook is ready, publish it on popular platforms and market it effectively. Your ebook can be a powerful tool for generating passive income, but it's up to you to make it happen. Best of luck on your journey.